at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys right now for watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. Today we are basically getting the Acura Integra headlights restored. Shout out to the home. You guys about to see who I'm pulling up on. You guys seen him in a previous video, but he restored his headlights, and his headlights are amazing. They are super freaking clear. We have the same year Integra and everything, so I'm about to slide up to his house. He said he's going to help me out. He's going to help bring it back to life as much as we can. And keep in mind, my car is about 26 years old, 25, 26, whatever. Can't think of the math in my head, but it's a 1994. So yeah, this car needs some restoring because the headlights never been changed before. So we're just going to restore it just to get it nicer. But for the time being, I'm still definitely going to order a whole new OEM headlights, just the better looking ones. But for the time being, I'm just going to make it look nicer than what it is and make it more functional. But yeah, so I'm driving right now in the car. The car looks cool. I mean, I like the paint, the original OEM. I'm gonna try my best because there's another color I want to paint this car. But if I can find some way to get some touch-up paint to just correct the parts that's really kind of fucked up on my car and just bring it back to life, then I'll be excited for that, and which I'm going to try to do. I'm gonna try to hit up O'Reilly's or AutoZone or a paint shop to see if I can find the exact OEM color of this car, because this OEM color is fucking badass. I really like this color and I would love to keep this color, but I have to get the exact color, the name of it and everything. So but they could probably do that by looking at my VIN and shit, so we'll figure it all out. But we're on our way to the homie's house, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys share videos. Make sure you guys go check out the playlist of my Integra and 350Z and previous cars and stuff. Just show some love, show some support. I appreciate it. And make sure you guys don't skip them ads, man. We need that money so we can get some better shit for these cars. But anyways, let's go and get this car corrected. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Oh my gosh.
Then you'll be able to see at night.
I know, bro, because it's like a struggle. God damn. Check out bro's right there. He's you painting your wheels?
Yeah, I'm catching up on the black.
Oh nice. So this is his ride right here real quick. I'm gonna show you guys. His is sick. He's retouching up some of the black on his wheels. But look at this. This is sick. We have the same year. See how he did his lights? Super bright. He restored them. So that's what we're doing to mine right now. And yeah, it's gonna be super good, man. Can't wait, can't wait. Oh man, damn, that shit worked like crazy. Jesus. Woo. Bro, that shit's crazy. That shit really works. That shit crazy. Because when I be seeing stuff like that, I don't be thinking it really works.
I didn't
so I'm
think
like, damn.
I did it tomorrow and I was like, oh shit.
Bro, night and day, and it's already just started. Jesus, that's... Whew. Damn. Bro, that shit just came back to life. Shit. I wonder what's all that stuff that like builds up on it.
It's just oxygen.
Oh,
getting
okay.
caught in the glass.
Got you. Damn, this is crazy, y'all. I can't even stop saying damn. It's just...
Yeah, so you're like, when it's wet like this, it looks super clear. And as soon as it starts to dry up a little bit, it'll oxidize some more.
Got you.
Because like as soon as it starts to dry up a little bit, you see it to start to get that like smoky color again.
Right, right. Oh, shit.
Little teeny tiny scratches in the glass.
Okay.
So that all that oxygen comes out and then it wipes out.
Oh, okay.
So this kit is 2 types of sandpaper.
Okay.
To clear all of the yellowness. And then you buff out the glass to fix all the scratches.
Okay.
So it cleans the glass again. and then you put a clear coat on it.
Damn, that really works. That's crazy. That's insane.
And it's literally just water.
It's water. Wow. Damn. Oh, God. Wow, it already made a big difference. Jeez, look at this, y'all. Insane. Insane. Damn, that looks good. He just brought that light back to OEM. Oh gosh. Damn, that is insane. I never in a million years, every time I see these little light restorer things, I never think they work. But to see how this, he just brought my car, like that's just, I'm telling you guys, this already just enhanced the car by a lot.
I do it to all my cars.
Swear.
They stay crystal clear.
What? Bro. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. You just brought my car back to life. God dang, it's crazy.
It makes such a difference in pictures and everything too.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh, yes. Damn. Oh yeah, that's what. This is it, y'all.
And this kit works on every single headlight that exists.
Wow. Everyone. Wow. Yo, this is insane. I can't stop tripping because I've been looking at this car for so long with shitty front fog light. I mean, not well, fog lights, whatever, headlights. But no, he just brought this back to like this just makes the car pop even more.
It makes such a difference.
Big difference, bro. Because when I look at your car, I'm like, damn, that shit look like a brand. Like
it makes it look, just the headlights make it look so much cleaner.
Yeah. Bro, jeez. Bro, that's...
And it's literally like a 20-30 minute job.
That's crazy. 20 minutes, 20-30 minutes, and then oh yeah, taking pictures is about to be so much funner. Wow. Damn, that shit looks so good. Damn. And he said this is not even no clear coat or nothing. It's just buffed
I'll
out.
put clear coat on one
Oh,
of them
you
right
put,
now.
okay, you did. Okay. But look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh. Big difference. Big difference. Damn. No joke. Look at these lights, y'all. Damn. Damn, this is exciting. This is exciting. Oh my gosh. Now I just need to get some coilovers, some wheels. Oh my God, I can't wait. I'm gonna look on. Damn. No joke. Look at these lights, y'all. Damn. Damn, this is exciting. This is exciting. Oh my gosh. Now I just need to get some coilovers, some wheels. Oh my God, I can't wait. All right, y'all, so we finally made it back from getting the car restored. Basically, we got the headlights restored on the Teggy, and shout out to the homie that's hooked me up. He has blessed me with the headlights being clean. We revamped them, and it looks so amazing. And I'm so excited about my car. Now, I wanted to paint my car a whole different color. Come to find out about my car, I just found out some research today. I've been going to a lot of paint places because I was looking for a way to restore my car paint because I really love this car paint. You don't really ever see my Integra paint job. Now, come to find out, which made it even more doper. So now I don't even want to change it to no other color besides what it is. And I'm gonna show you guys the headlights. Basically, Honda and Acura basically made a limited version of this paint for Acuras. And this color is called Thunder Metallic Gray. And Acura and Honda made only a few in this color, so you don't see that many colors on the road. You hardly ever see my color, so that's why I'm always just like wanting to go back to the OEM color, because I just never see my car color. I always see white, black, burgundy, red, yellow, etc. So I never really see my car color, and it's like literally a mix of blue and gray. And in person, it just looks so good. I still haven't cleaned the car after I took the vinyl off, so there's a lot of residue on the car that I'm going to do. But I want to show you guys the headlights, and we go from there. But also, stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you guys what I got, and we're going to make 2 videos today. So this is the first video, but let me show you the lights. So as you see right now, the headlights are restored. Before, if you guys look at all my old videos, all my old pictures, they used to be pure cloggy yellow. Now they are super bright. So they are both bright. They look real good. The bro took care of me. As you guys see, the car is still dirty. You guys can still see the residue from the vinyl wrap, but we're gonna clean this car up. We're gonna get it right back to normal. But like I said, the headlights are restored back to OEM, looking fresh, looking good. And I'm not gonna lie, the headlights just made the car look brand new. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it looks so amazing. Oh my gosh, it's just made the car pop even more. So I do have some stuff in stored, and I know you guys gonna be excited what I'm about to do to this car. Stay tuned. Oh my God, stay tuned. We about to revamp this car up so nice. And it's just the little things that makes the biggest difference, all right? So now, I'm glad to show you guys this. And like I said, the paint job, you can't really tell because it's still like dirty, but once I get it clean and you guys can really see it in the sun, it makes a hell of a difference with this car paint. This paint job is rare. I'm so happy to even have a classic paint. Like, this paint is so rare. So what I'm going to do is get the original paint from online, and then I got to restore it. And some of the parts where I told you guys where the clear coat is kind of like peeling, the passenger side is actually better. The only thing that really needs to be hit is the top of the door up there, but everything else is fresh. But on the driver's side, it needs some love and attention. So if you guys can see more towards the back up there, it needs to be fixed, but we're going to take care of that. But not 80% of the car is legit in good paint. It's just this side is fucking bugging me, and then the trunk. But like I said, I'm gonna order the paint and we're gonna restore it. This paint is so fucking immaculate. I'm so excited. So I'm so excited to just have something like this, a classic car, a classic paint job. Like, it's just a whole different level. I'm just so excited that I got this, and the paint's still in good shape. We just got to clean it. I got to bring it back to life. And then, like I said, I got to order the paint, and we're going to restore it, and we're going to bring this car back to life. Right now, I left the orange on there because it's still connected to the canard screws and all that. So I'm just leaving it on for the time being. But stay tuned for what I'm about to do next. And what we're about to do right now in the next video, I'm about to take care of the sides right here. I finally got the part, and I'm gonna let you guys know where to get it from. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you OG, click that thumbs up. We're about to get this car back and restored as best we can for as cheap as we can, you know what I'm saying? But the right way. Yeah, so like and subscribe. We are out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Now, get ready for tomorrow's video. We out.